This is the installation for the Adaptive Vest Placard on the AVS. Step 1, remove gloves. Step 2, remove the plate. Step 3, bring in your AVP. Insert the top into the top pieces of webbing. Once you've done that, begin putting these 4 into the bottom section of webbing. Use your other hand to lift up on the webbing, and then use your other hand to push the tabs into the webbing. For the next step, lift this forked area and insert into where your flaps would normally go. Like so. Next, lift the kangaroo pouch up. Pull tight and lay the Velcro tails all the way in, like so. Your AVP is now properly installed. For Kagwerks and Juggernaut cases, Kagwerks is the easier one. Insert the bottom tails just underneath the webbing. And then the back ones. Push through, and your Kagwerks case is installed. Installing a Juggernaut case, you insert the bottom tabs in first. Once you've done that, grab a flathead screwdriver or other similarly shaped tool, and you're going to bend the top tabs. They won't break, but you bend them backwards and insert them. You may need to use this flathead screwdriver to lift the webbing up enough to get them in. And repeat on this other side. And that is the Kagwerks the Juggernaut case properly installed. At its current height, these buckles are designed for use with our flat placard conversion. To lower them for most other placards, you undo the quasm buckle at the bottom, like so. slide them down, and attach them to the flap that's coming out, the small tail that's coming out of the kangaroo pouch. Repeat on the other side. And now you can take something like a Spiritus Microfight and it positions it correctly. For G-hook variants, you will take off the quasin buckles. And this loop of webbing right here is what you use to attach the G-hook buckle. This is the same position that you use to attach our flap to placard conversion. These slide in one stitch line above it, right next to the first line of webbing. This is our flap to placard conversion G-hook variant for Juggernaut cases, Panasonic cases, and other larger cases.
This is how to set up your push-to-talks on your AVP. You can use 1/8 inch shock cord or paracord and weave it through the top binding here on the AVP, as well as any of the points of the webbings here or on the front of the AVS plate pouch. Good example is how we've done it right here using shock cord. You can easily mount push to talk on each side. And again, those points are right here and right there, as well as all the other points here on the side that you have access to on your Crye AVS front plate pouch.